wants to show you that we bought a phone. I really don't know why. Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. We just got home from the Asian store. I bought this. It's my favorite childhood food. He also tried pancit canton. What can you say about it? The green, this one.
It's good and doesn't have lemon.
Yeah, because its flavor is lemony. The flavor is calamansi. Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
And I also got this. It's a mee goreng. It's my favorite dorm food.
This one, it says you boil it in water for 5 minutes.
Yeah, the noodles.
And then you dump
the
water.
sauces.
Yeah, you dump it out and then you fry it.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's
so
what
you
it
still
says.
need to fry it. Oh, okay.
So I'll try it that way.
I told Tito Kevin that this is spicy noodles and he loves everything spicy. He actually really wanted to try it, so he got it. He also got this. It says throw away the water and remain 8 spoons of water.
Then you pour out all but 8 spoons. Teaspoons? Tablespoons?
Yeah.
I don't know.
We're now done boiling.
This says remain 8
The
spoons.
water
Is that
and-
8 spoons? It's 8 enough spoons.
Snorri and sesame seeds.
Yeah.
Kevin is going to throw the ball.
No.
I think that Kev will cry.
No, I think he can take it.
It's temperature hot. Holy cow. It's not spicy yet. Want to try mix?
No.
It's like jalapeno spicy.
But just a tiny piece.
You want to try a little tiny piece?
Oh, Miko wants to try.
Okay, I'll see you.
A noodle maybe. Ah, yeah, that one.
That's like this tiny piece of a noodle.
There.
Tiny piece of a noodle?
Yes.
Oh, you go here.
Wow.
You go here.
Wow. I'm so proud of you.
Want to try that one?
Yeah.
Blow it.
How about you, Tito Kevs? No drinks at all? No
No,
beer?
not yet.
Not yet?
No, not yet.
Okay, can I try tiny piece?
Yeah.
I
Oh.
don't have chaser. What's my chaser?
No milk.
Walang
No milk.
sipa.
Yeah, can I have Yakult?
You
Can
have a
I have milk now too?
You wanna eat it outside?
Where it's cold?
Yeah.
I'll go sit in this now.
Yeah. Come on,
Try some
Mix. Show him, Mix. Show him.
Wow. Nick, I'm so proud of you.
Look at the piece he's getting.
There you go. Yeah. You don't.
Oh, don't drink. You swallow it. Oh,
I did.
how does it taste?
It's hot.
Your turn, Ate Tia!
Wow.
Only one noodle.
It's actually hotter when you eat it.
Oh, yeah. When you get the knife and cut it. Well, not noodles, but like. I've had to. There's more meat. There's more.
Oh, again? Wow!
Wow, Mix.
Cool.
Oh, there you go.
Ate, what's the
Whoa!
What's the
Wow.
Do the spicy noodle challenge.
Look at that.
What?
Wow, no. Of 21:45 p.m. Oh, he was able to finish it without any chasers or any drinks. Thank you, Tito Kevin.
And how about me?
Oh, thank you, Miko. Yeah, Mix, you're so good.
Yeah, meat took a big old bite.
You ate more than we did.
That's it for today's vlog, guys. We'll see you on the next vlog. Where are they? Bye.